Hello and welcome to Julia's Food for Thought. We're going to put together a pesto. It's a sweet basil and spinach pesto, and this is a wonderful condiment to use on your sandwiches, in your wraps, on your baked potatoes. You could use it in your pasta dishes as well. So say you're making a warm pasta dish, you can, rather than using a vegetable broth, you could use the hot pasta water, some of that water in your pesto. So you would simply introduce it into the pesto to get it to the consistency that you like. And rather than heating it in a bowl, this VITAMIX is fabulous. So this is your bowl. This is your instrument to heat your product. It's very, very wonderful piece of equipment. So let's get started here. I've turned the machine so that you can see the front of the VITAMIX. So we want to first of all introduce the nuts, and everything, measurements are in the recipe below, but I'll just mention just off the, right away, I'm using pine nuts and walnuts. Now keep in mind, you could use whatever nuts that you prefer, but we're using pine nuts and walnuts. I'm just going to put the garlic in as well, and what we're going to do is pulse this a little bit to get it grainy, and then we'll continue on. So this will just take a little bit of time here. Turn the light on, start it. Okay, that's pretty good. That's good. Just going to see if it's, yeah, that's fine. So what we'll do is, I'm just going to move it around just a touch, just to make sure we're getting the graininess that we want. Okay. Now we're going to introduce our sweet basil. And our spinach. A little broth. So we're going to introduce our lemon juice, our salt, our pepper, and we're just going to continue on here. So you can see how you'll need a little more, you'll need your vegetable broth handy. So it's just about into a lovely cream that we want, and now we're going to introduce the nutritional yeast. So that's it. You can see the consistency is very smooth. It's bright green. So what we'll do is we'll transfer this into into a container, which this is a couple of cups, so this will go nicely in this container and into the fridge. You can mark your container pesto, your spinach, and sweet basil pesto. So you can actually season, salt, pepper more if you wish, or less, but everything is in the description below. So thank you so much for watching, and do comment. We love your comments, and look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.